Hi guys, I am on my way to work right now and it is raining right now. I don't like riding my electric e-bike in the rain. So I hope you guys like this video of me riding my bike in the rain. And just to give you guys an update, I made a buy me a coffee website. So if you want to support me, go to that website and support me there. You could give me some feedback on that site. This is the first time I'm using that site, so you could support me and I could put more content on that site for you guys. And I will link that in my description of this video, so you guys can go check it out. Hey Siri, turn up the volume. Hey Siri, turn up the volume. Hey Siri, play 10,000 Roses. Yeah, let's go, baby! Woo! I'm riding through the door last night. Do you know me? Won't make it right. You know well. If you guys ride in the rain, tell me in the comments if you like riding in the rain on a e-bike or a motorcycle. Change your mind and call you a hiding. In your mind. Back then, something that can't again. You know you gonna do when I ever remove. I can't help what you love I have been. And I have to. So here is an update. If you didn't watch my other video yesterday, I will link it in the comments. So yesterday I went and played pickleball, and I played really well yesterday. I think I won 3 games out of 5, or how many games I played. Did anybody watch the LAFC versus Columbus CONCACAF Champions Cup game last night? If you did, can you tell me what team you were rooting for? I was rooting for Columbus. I think the final score was 2-0. LAFC won. My sound of earthquakes They are not playing in that competition this year because they did not do so good in regular season last year. They finished in last place. So maybe if they do better this year, they might be in more tournaments. The only tournament that the Center of the Earthquakes are in this year is US Open Cup. So I hope they do really good in that tournament. Hey, my way, hey, singing like a baby. Don't show me the word. Don't get whiskey. If you guys listen to any music on your bike ride, can you please tell me in the comments? Because I'm looking for some new music to listen to while I ride my Aventon SR e-bike. If it doesn't rain much today, I am going to do a little walk around my neighborhood to capture a bunch of Mundy stickers that I need to capture for Clan Wars. I will show you guys more about that when I get off work if it is not raining. And then I am supposed to be getting a package from a lady from Facebook that has some keychains for my little free keychain library. So I am looking forward to that package coming in the mail today. It says it should be here by 5 o'clock. So when it comes in, I will show you guys all the stuff that she mailed to me. I don't know how much stuff she is mailing to me, so it's gonna be a surprise. Like a baby, let me show you the word. Oh, great whiskey, no one feels the hurt. Oh, say goodbye. And I would really appreciate it, guys, if you guys give me some feedback on this video, because I am still new to filming myself while riding my e-bike. Gotta cross the street. And please tell me what kind of topics you want me to talk about while I'm riding my e-bike. Woo! Hey Siri, play The Broken Road by Rascal Flatts. Hey Siri, play The Broken Road. I'ma find you love. God knows the time on around bushes. Anyhow, every sign is ready to you. Just to keep you guys informed, I do this ride Monday through Friday, all the way to Pleasanton, California for my crossing guard job. So I hope you guys like the content. Hey, you know, and what I know is true. So it is not raining that much today. I thought it was going to rain a lot. So if it's not raining much, I might go check out the pickleball courts after I get off my first shift. Hey Siri, play The Broken Road. There we go, let's go. Woo! Let's go, baby! And then I don't know way many years ago, and I was fighting to love on the broken road. Oh, I know that guy. Where he lives? Anyhow, every sign is right to you. Every stream into where you are, you broke my heart. I mean, like northern stars beyond my way. Loving on, and I know it's true. And God was the broken road, and He tried to you, yeah. And all the years now spent just passing me. Woo! Seems like it's raining a little bit harder right now. Let's see how fast I can go. Come on! Come on! Stay at 32! 32! Yeah! Yeah! I think I'm going 35 miles per hour! Woo! Woo! Yeah! See, you knew where you were, you broke my heart. Get on my way, yeah, I know it's true. Hey Siri, play Hot Blooded on Spotify. almost there. I started my crossing guard job at 8:30 in the rain. Straight ahead of us is the Livermore Water Reclamation Plant. That's where all the stinky water goes to. From Livermore, California. You're gonna see the people hungry. Oh baby, do you do one day? Hot-blooded, hot-blooded. It feels alright. You can stay all night. I need you, my king. Come and give me a sign. I'm going for a sign. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, mama. You look that way to me. Oh, no. Cool, yeah. Come on, light! Let's go, light! Feel inside of me. I'm ready to do one day. Hot-blooded, hot-blooded. Woo! Let's go! I forgot to bring my bike cover. Ah! So I have a bike cover that I bought for my bike when it rains, so the bike doesn't get drenched while I'm waiting to cross the kids. There goes the Livermore wheel bus. Just past me. I don't think it's really raining that much, but since I'm going 20 miles per hour, it feels like it's raining more. And if you see these yellow rain pants that I bought, they are from Amazon. They are waterproof. Because the other pants that I had, the water would just go straight through them. So my pants would be super soaked in the rain. It wasn't fun. So my dad told me that I should buy some rain pants. And I had to buy them on Amazon because I have a small waist, and we went to Home Depot and they didn't have any rain pants at Home Depot. They did, but they weren't size medium or small. That's what I need. Jesse's girl. Now it's Jesse's girl. if you guys wouldn't mind, can you please subscribe and turn the bell on for notifications so you can stay up to date on when my next video is coming out. It would really appreciate my channel. And starting on March 22nd, I am going to a open roof home opener soccer game with my best friend Pablo Zamora, because I'm a season ticket member for them. I am going to be doing vlogs of where I sit and show you guys what the Coliseum looks like now, since the Oakland Athletics don't play there anymore. The second episode of Survivor tonight. If you are, please tell me what tribe is your favorite and what character, what player you like. I'm gonna love you. And the sound of the winter cold. No, the fall never gonna run. Ain't no rain, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna love you. So the school that I do my crossing guard job at is called Henry Moore Elementary School. And I will show you what a Muncie sticker looks like, because I placed one right at the school LED sign. So I will show you what it looks like so you guys know what to look for if you guys ever want to play the game Muncie in your town. Screw, I'm gonna love you. This is what a Muncie sticker looks like if you ever want to play the game called Muncie. So I will show you what the Muncie screen looks like. So that's what the Muncie screen looks like. So if you see all that stuff that is there, you capture it. So here's one of my Muncies that I could capture for myself. So I will show you how to capture it. So you click on the green square, and then it goes to this screen, and then you go like this. Boop, boop. And that's what it says when you capture it. Hey guys, I just got off my first shift at my crossing guard job. Now I'm on my way home. Earlier I told you that it was raining. Now it has stopped raining. So it's gonna be a better ride on the way home.